Hey guys, this is Rick from Switzerland. It's outside America, it's Central Europe. I'm Dutch, my wife is Swiss, and we just got a 1-year-old. We decided that we want to invest something which you can pass forward or give forward to our kids later on. But the main goal was actually to create this cash flow so we could spend more time with our kids and actually play in a sandbox like this. Be careful. But it's another country, America. We analyzed Holland, we analyzed Switzerland. We decided that America is giving much more options. It's actually a country of the landlords. We got a lot of information from the podcast of Dustin. I think I listened to it twice before I contacted Dustin and asked him if he was willing to coach us. And he was. So we started up the business and we building the business in 2019, and it all ended up into the purchase of our first duplex in Ohio in January this year. And we're hoping to purchase at least one, maybe a second building in this year as well. But as it is a complete different country, different culture, different pricings, different banking systems, all the things are different than we are used to. So it was so helpful to have somebody on your side responding. I think I have never met somebody so responsive and so quick, so responding so quickly as Dustin. I think we got in a phone call because of the time difference, because I was in a flow. I wanted to analyze the property we actually bought in the early morning, but for Dustin it was like 11 p.m. But he still made time. We got on a call and we ended up buying the property. But I'm really glad he was there all the time, holding our hands and guiding us through the different analysis, because I was quite conservative, just want to make sure it was a good deal. But we're really grateful for him being there, and we expect to keep contact, especially also when we're growing, just to brainstorm a little further. But we were really glad that he was helping us in this starting period. In a complete different country, but I believe if you can invest out of state, you definitely can also invest out of country. And just go where the properties are good and the deals are good, and try to move forward. And you will end up reaching your goal. I'm pretty sure of that. Our goal will be a few more properties, and it takes probably a few years, but we're getting there. And by the time he's a little older, we can definitely spend more time with each other. Alright guys, wish you a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.